Ready to Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, hoodies, or white t-shirts. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. We're gonna start, can I get probation now on Charlene Gross, please? Okay. All right, let's start with the city of Detroit. Are we ready, Ms. Williams? Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, let's start with the city of Detroit versus Spencer Getter, case number SP 1737717, count 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor. Good morning.
And good morning, Your Honor. Joe Crosby, 55824 on behalf of Spencer Getter.
All right, Mr. Getter, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Spencer Getter.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for, well, we'll call it the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. I think you parties have come to a resolution. I have a plea agreement sheet in front of me, pleading as charged to a 6-month delayed sentence. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Getter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down, sir. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yeah.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Your counsel, Mr. Cross, at some point during the pendency of this case, he's gone over your other advice or rights, has he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 6th, 2025, at around 9:19 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Webb Street and Hamilton Avenue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you, what was going on out there on that day?
So I heard there was a ride out, some motorcycles. My friend invited me to one. So I went, and wrong place at the wrong time, I guess.
Well, right place at the wrong time, huh?
Sure.
Because you intended to go, and there were drag racing. Is that what the ride out is?
That's what the ticket was written for. I'd say there was some guys getting rambunctious, doing burnouts. So.
And you went and participated to watch, right?
Yes.
Is that satisfied you, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The people are also satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. The court will find you guilty as charged. It'll be a $240 fine. It'll be 6-month delayed sentence, meaning if you don't participate in any other events like that, and you pay the $240, then we will dismiss the case. Your next court date is going to be May the 4th, 2026 at 8:25. You pay that at any DIVDAD kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DIVDAD app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. You have any further questions, Mr. Getter?
No, that's it. Thank you.
All right, and Mr. Cross, anything further?
No, thank you, Your Honor, and thanks to Ms. Horn.
And Ms. Warren, anything further?
Nothing further from the people, Your Honor. Thank you.
Fine, something further, both of you have a very good rest of your day. Have a happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
To you very much.
Well, thank you.
Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
City of Detroit versus Andress Marie Windelkin, case number SP 153-81881. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Windelkin.
Ambereth Marie Windelkin.
All right, good morning to you. The day is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Well, I will say along with this ticket, Ms. Wendell, there was a blocking traffic issue. But at the end of the day, that was some time ago. So Ms. Windelkin, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer on the misdemeanor charge. And keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Oh, okay, thank you.
She's
Your
in
Honor,
there.
the blocking traffic matter is not redeemable or?
No, I think it's too old. Let me see. Sometimes they, I don't know how the tickets are. Let's see. I believe it's too old. Let me see. No, it's back almost 2 years ago.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. William Lanier. Is William Lanier there?
Yes. Hello.
Good morning to you, sir.
How you doing?
I'm well.
This phone doing a little bit of jumping. It muted on its own. If it mute, I'll just have to unmute.
City of Detroit versus William Lanier, case number SP 136-92823, SP 136-9390, counts 1 and counts 2, 1947-5063, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance with record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Lanier. Please state your name for the record.
William Lanier.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
I'll recall any warrants, enter a not guilty plea in your client tab, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lanier, good morning to you. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Boffman, who are you ready on? Is he ready on anything? He's speaking to us. Ms. Taylor, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm well. Who's your client?
Justin Gunnick.
Okay, Gunnick, I don't think he's appeared yet. Is this a civil infraction?
No, this is a misdemeanor. He's in Ottawa County Jail.
Oh, well, I guess he's not going to appear unless you rented him out.
I tried. They are real weird up there. Like they wouldn't do a Zoom.
Well, I mean, I don't think they would have a choice if we enrolled and assigned an order for them to do so, right?
Right. Absolutely.
So.
Officer next door next week. Say it for me, Pastor.
Do you, I don't know, I don't have an order in front of me to sign, but you want to get one to me?
Yes, I can. And can I speak with Madam Prosecutor too, real quick about this one?
You may,
Thank-
room 4.
Room 4? All right, thank you.
We're just waiting on a lawyer now.
Just for that week. This was those two. Look at that.
I'm your son. Are we ready on Ms. Wendleton?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Wendleton. Ms. Wendleton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Wendleton?
Yes.
I didn't get any trial dates, Ms. Mathis. One.
Yeah.
Who do we have there?
Good
morning.
Richard Hyman. Richard Hyman.
Come on up.
Yeah, go ahead, take your phone.
I didn't get any, trial dates.
Who's court date is? Yes. Yes.
These are stats right there.
Yes.
Hasta allá no. Oh, one more thing. Make sure they sign. Acá.
Okay, no problem. Do you need a Spanish interpreter, sir?
Dile que todavía me llega el abogado.
My lawyer is still not here.
Who's your lawyer?
Es Fran Macías.
Yes, all right. ¿Cómo te llama usted?
Richard Jaime.
Make sure they sign the other one.
Okay. Come on, this
I
side.
don't know if he's in the right courtroom. Does he have a case number?
Do you have a landlord tenant case or a traffic matter?
Go ahead. No entiendo, no entiendo.
What kind of case does he have?
¿Qué caso tengo?
Is it landlord tenant or traffic?
Aquí está.
Morning. I'm on, my name's Murray and I'm on Graybeal with a G, Graybeal, traffic.
Is that your client?
Yes, sitting out there.
Just waiting on the dates, Mr.
What they think? Retrial?
No.
Okay,
trial.
Mr. Gallo.
12/18.
He's good.
All right, the trial date will be, December 18th. Hold on, Mr. December 18th at 9 a.m. Well, Wendell-Ken, if it's nothing further, you have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Two Spanish. Name, address, so.
Am I being heard?
Yes.
All right, December 18th, ma'am, at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Where's Noel?
City of Detroit versus Noel Michelle Glenn. Case number SP 1576629 18-383-817, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. 18-466-8391, 18-466-8401. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Glenn.
Noel Michelle Glenn.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Glenn, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Okay, Attorney Murray, good morning to you. What we're going to do is give the officer a half-hour grace period, and I think that grace period is just about to be up. It is up right now.
Okay.
And it got, I don't know if this is Officer D'Angelo. Good morning to you. That's the only officer I see in the room now.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And who are you here on?
Go in the hallway because your attorney is on Zoom.
Who are you here on, Officer D'Angelo?
Mr. Gunnick.
Okay, so, Attorney Murray,
Yes, sir.
you're up.
Okay, thank you very much.
Let me see about it. Let me see about it.
This is the City of Detroit versus John Wesley Graybill IV. Case number SP 179-50871. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, good morning, ma'am. Please this court, James W. Murray, P48047. I represent Mr. Graybeal, who's present.
All right, well, he's not in the courtroom now, though, is he?
He is right outside.
And you've got the authority to enter into an agreement on his behalf, is that correct?
I do, Your Honor.
You're retained counsel, correct?
Correct.
All right, today is the date, and I'll waive your client's presence. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Is there an officer, is there an officer, Mark Wilson? Mark Wilson. Hearing no response, the only officer I see is Officer Angelo, and looking in the
Hey, this is your
breakout.
lawyer. We're gonna set it for a bench trial today.
All right. All right. All right, hearing no response, go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, I have a motion to dismiss, please.
All right, I'm gonna grant that motion to dismiss. No officer, if there's nothing further. Attorney Murray, you have a very good, you and your client have a very good rest of your day and happy.
You too, Judge Perkins. Thank you very much.
Judge, can I get Attorney Murray's first name again and P number? There was some background noise. I didn't get it.
Hey, I'm on.
Yes, good morning. It's James W. Murray, 2 RZY, P48047.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Bachman, who are you ready on?
Forgive me, Your Honor. I am so sorry to introduce unwanted noise into the meeting, but I am ready on 4 cases. Can we start with Delicia Grant?
Well, let's start with, are we ready on Ortiz? Because I have Madam Interpreter here for Ortiz.
Perfect.
Is that what you're here, Ms. Montero?
Yes, I'm on here 2 cases, one for Mr. Ortiz and another one for Mr. Galvan.
All right. Ms. Montero, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Vivian Montero, Court Interpreter 18369.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Guadalupe Ortiz Medina, case number SP 180332221. Appearance for the record, please.
Ese es el caso del Ministerio Público versus José Guadalupe Ortiz Medina, número de caso SP 18033221. Digan su nombre para que conste en la acta, empezando con el licenciado, por favor.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Sir, please give the court your full and complete name.
Buenos días, licenciado Harry Boffman, cédula profesional 55052. Señor Ortiz, diga su nombre completo para que conste en actas.
José Guadalupe Ortiz Medina.
José Guadalupe Ortiz Medina.
Your Honor, we're asking that bench trial be set in this matter, please, and thank you.
Su señoría, estamos pidiendo que se fija fecha para un juicio por juez en este caso. Por favor y gracias.
Our trial date is December 18, 2025 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, Mr. Ortiz, you have a very good day and best of luck to you.
La fecha de comparecencia es 18 de diciembre, anótelo por favor, a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
Is
si
it
no
trial, Your
tienen-
Honor, or pre-trial? I'm sorry.
Bench trial, please.
Es juicio, por favor, juicio por juez. Nuevamente, 18 de diciembre a las 8:30 de la mañana.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Si no hay más por el momento, tenga un buen día y buena suerte.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, who's next, Mr.
Alicia Grant is ready, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Delicia Lee Grant, case number SP 1792748, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1797658, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1779631. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, give your full name, please.
Delicia Lee Grant.
This matter is here for pretrial. My client's advised of her rights, Your Honor, and because there's a genuine and material issue of fact, we're asking for a trial date, please. Bench trial.
Good morning to you, Ms. Grant. The
Good morning.
trial date will be December 18th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
You too, Your Honor. Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you so much. Who's next, Mr. Barry? Mr. Boston?
Judge, would you please call Miss Gouch? Katrina Gouch.
Definitely paying these tough words and actions. Kennedy Hope.
I just got a TV on in the background.
I'm at work. Let me go to another room.
9-year-old baby.
City of Detroit versus Katrina Gouch, case number SP 1803054, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 180968081. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant, P55052. Ma'am, give the court your full name, please.
Katrina Gouch.
Thank you. My client's advised of her rights, Your Honor. She wishes that this matter would be set for a bench trial date by Zoom, please.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Gouch. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. I'll set you a trial date of December 18th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and we'll see you back after Thanksgiving.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Michael Gardner is ready. Michael Gardner.
I'm here.
Thank you.
Judge, before you jump to the next one, did Richard Jamie Galvin check in?
Galvin, no, not yet.
Yes, yes,
They did, yeah, they should be in person.
yes, that's the gentleman that was just in here, Mr. Gallagher.
Yeah, okay.
He's in the hallway with his mother.
Do they have an interpreter for them yet?
We have an interpreter. Good morning to you, Mr. Gardner.
Good morning.
Michael. Yes. City of Detroit, Michael Gardner, case number SP 1796594, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1814372, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1815081, SP 1815085, appearance for the record, please.
For the defendant, sir, give the court your full name, please.
Michael Anthony Gardner.
My client's advised of his rights. He wants a bench trial date, please.
All right, Mr. Gardner, trial date December 18th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Same to you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Here.
Next, Mr. Boston.
I thought I saw Mr. Grover Hargrove in the meeting. Are you here?
He's in breakout room 6.
Oh, good. All right. Thank you. I'll be back. That's it for now.
City of Detroit versus Charlene Marie Gross, case number Z8095361. Appearance, state your name for the record, Ms. Gross.
Charlene Marie Gross.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Ms. Bumpus, good morning to you. Can you state your name and your title for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor, and to all your staff. Lori Bumpus on behalf of the Probation Department.
Okay, give us an update on how Ms. Gross' progress is going.
Yes, Your Honor, in this case, Ms. Gross was placed on probation August 26, 2025 for a period of 6 months. Since that time, she has been testing the schedule 2 times a month. She's had no missed tests and no positive tests. She has completed the consequences video. She's also attended the victims impact panel. She's paid her fines and cost in full. The only thing, Your Honor, is she mistakenly took the handgun program where she was supposed to take the alcohol highway safety education program. So she knows that she is still held accountable for that. That's the only thing outstanding in this case.
Well, let me ask you this, is that highway safety program, is that, do I have any discretion on that?
Those are the two requirements, the victim's impact and alcohol highway safety. Those are two that all drunk drivers have to attend.
Is that by statute?
I believe it
Is
is.
that just by, or is that just by the way that things just go typically?
That's usually the way things go.
If it's just by the way things go, I would be inclined to give this Gross the benefit of the doubt, being that she has been very compliant and has done everything else that is necessary, and unfortunately took the wrong course. Did you get anything out of the handgun course, ma'am?
I did.
Do you carry a handgun?
I did before this happened. But not anymore.
Two, 57.6253-8. Is this the first time drunk driving?
I believe so, Judge. Let me double check.
Ms. Gross?
Yes, it's my first time.
You know, I kind of, I don't see that it's ordered to do so, but as I rethink it, I don't think it'd be a bad thing for you to take that course. I
Okay.
don't think um, it is something that I always order. When will you be able to finish that course?
I can do it as soon as possible.
Is that something that there's a waiting list on this office?
There is an agency I know that she could probably do it within the next week for sure.
As soon as possible, I would like if you can get it done before Thanksgiving. If you can get it done in a day or two, I'll allow a day. If you can get it done today or tomorrow, I would allow you to come back. But if not, we can come back sometime next week.
I can do it today or tomorrow if it's availability.
Yes, we need to see if it's available. So I would recommend an adjournment till next week, Your Honor. just in case the classes are not going on.
All right,
Seeing as
why
though
don't-
it's the
why don't-
holiday.
Yeah, why don't I pass it and allow her the opportunity? Can you call Ms. Bumpus and get the telephone number or give her the telephone number to the agency? I'll give you the opportunity to call. And being that it's a holiday, I know that, I don't know if Ms. Gross wants to maintain her sobriety. I don't know that or not. But being that it's a holiday, I know that people, they usually drink at times during the holiday. And she's done all of the other requirements. I would like to I would like to free her from this sooner rather than later. So see if you can get that number. I'll put you both in the breakout room. I'll pass the matter. If you can get the stuff today and get it done as soon as possible, Ms. Hart, Ms. Gross, then I'll have no issue of allowing you out of this these conditions. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Pass the matter. All right.
Judge, I'm sorry, excuse me.
Yes.
For Veronica Lewis, Officer Will Robertson is here.
Veronica Lewis. I don't think Lewis is showing up. Who are we ready on? What about the gentleman that needs the interpreter?
He has an attorney. Do we want to
Oh,
send
he's
him
got
over?
an attorney there. Okay, very good. All right, let's go. I think we're just waiting on a lawyer now. Mr. Baughman, are you ready on Hargrove?
We are ready, Your Honor.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Timothy Andre Grover Hargrove, case number SP 1148325, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 979-266, counts 1 and counts 2, U322505516, H00147001, count 2, SP 1213309, counts 1, SP 1307804-1, SP 1344395, counts 1, it counts 2, SP 1698640, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1797571, SP 1797659, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3, and the state of Michigan versus Timothy Andre Grover Hargrove, SX 4321351. Appearance for the record, please.
Timothy Grover Hargrove.
Baughman P55052 for the defendant who stated his name. He's been advised of his rights and requests a bench trial date by Zoom, please, and thank you.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Grover Hargrove. You have
Good morning.
signed. Thanks, Mr. Officer Wilson.
Yes,
Yeah,
Judge. This is for
signed advice of rights, Timothy Grover Hargrove. All right, I'm going to give you a trial date, Mr. Grover Hargrove, on December the 18th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Have a safe and happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, you too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is that it, Mr. Baughman?
I have one more. I don't have an explanation for their absence as of yet, but I'm gonna hang in there for them.
Hey, John is here.
Okay, good, perfect.
Are we ready on FaceTime?
I better take a breakout with her just briefly, Your Honor, please.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Noel Glenn. Ms. Glenn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea as charged to interfering with a government employee on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. The remaining matters to be dismissed, and we would have the court confirm that she has a valid license.
Does that have anything to do with the plea?
If she does not, then I would have to revisit the prosecutor.
On our license, please. Do you want to take the deal, Ms. Glenn?
Yes.
I didn't hear that. Somebody sounds like they were in the background.
Yes,
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and $4 or $500 fine?
yes,
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
yes,
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not? Did he
yes,
not? I'm sorry.
yes, yes,
You understood those rights?
yes,
Any questions about those rights?
no,
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
yes,
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
no,
Our license is valid, Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor. Those,
Draw your, now we know, I don't have any notes on this to give me any kind of understanding of what the allegation is.
may I, Your Honor?
You may, let me draw your attention back to May the 4th, 2024, around 7:02 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hampshire and Chalmers. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
yes,
Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
And did you have occasion to have an encounter with the Detroit Police Department at that time?
yes.
And what transpired between you and the police officer?
They were called because I was being unruly. It was well, it was actually the day before. It was my birthday. And I think the officer did something like grabbed my arm and I snatched away. And because I was being unruly, they just, I guess that's what it is.
Now, who called the police?
That I'm not sure.
But you'll admit that you were that unruly that the police had to be called?
I had been drinking. It was my birthday. Yeah.
I'm glad I don't drink anymore.
Neither do I. I'm 9 months clean.
Oh, congratulations. That's saying something. So you'll interfering with the government employee. Still don't know if that arises to I still don't know if that arises to well,
If I may, sir.
let me say, hold on.
Yes, hold on.
Go ahead. If you can, go ahead. If she wants to, she's trying to take a plea. If she wants to elaborate, if she can, I'm gonna read the statute and see what, the ordinance, to see what the ordinance reads. But if you want to go ahead and elaborate, you can.
Yes, well, first off, I do apologize to those officers for that night. And like I said, I don't drink anymore. I'm 9 months sober. I'm also in nursing school, and this has definitely put a hindrance on, like, I almost wasn't able to start clinicals until I took care of this. So I'm trying to get my life in order. I'm working on getting my life in order, and that was out of character for me. Well,
so I believe that we've made the elements of how this will affect her with this guilty plea in nursing school. I do not know the elements: interference with city employees in the performance of their duties unlawful. It shall be unlawful for any person to knowingly fail to comply with the lawful command of a police officer, or knowingly interfere with or obstruct a city employee in the performance of such employee's duties as a city employee. You were out in the public at that time, right?
Yes.
And basically, she said she's amounted to herself to knowingly being disorderly. So that gives the officer a probable cause to at least investigate and and then investigate the And Ms. Glenn admitted to not complying and snatching away from the officer at the time. I'll find you guilty as charged, $240 fine. And then we have, is it a 3-month delay, Mr. Perry?
Correct, Your Honor.
3-month delay, you'll pay it by, I'll give you a review date.
Well, Your Honor, I thought I said I would do community service in lieu of the fee because I'm in nursing school and not working. I have no money to pay that.
I was gonna give you until February 26th to get it paid, but if you want to do 12 hours of community service, you can do that.
Yes, that will work better.
Is this the best phone number, the number you called on? Is that the number that you, that's best to reach you?
Yes, the 3199.
Okay. Refer to community service. And I'm gonna give you the number 2 community service, just in case that you shouldn't have to call.
Yes, this is Shay. How you doing this morning?
They shouldn't have to call, you shouldn't have to call them, they should call you. But if you do find that they have not called you in a reasonable amount of time, then you can call them.
Okay, Your Honor, I just want to make sure, because I'm pleading guilty to this. After the 90 days, it's off my record. I think he said, I forgot what word he used, but it's off my record.
Yeah, off your record, as long as you don't get any other trouble like this.
Oh, no.
So I'll give you till February 26, 2026 at 8:25, that's your court date. If the hours are complete by then and you don't get any other trouble, then we'll dismiss this case. With the stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other cases.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll waive the warrant fees. You're gonna have to pay the reinstatement fees. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reinstatement fees. Pay those. Don't get any other trouble. February 26, 2026.
Okay.
The number to probate to community service is 313-965-8130. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. If you don't hear from them, give them a call and follow up. But if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and safe and happy holidays. Yes.
What are the reinstatement fees? Oh, I guess how much are?
Say that again.
How much are the reinstatement fees? Like, where do I find that information?
And if I wish you the best of luck. Have a safe and happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck in nursing school as well. All right.
Sir.
Yes.
What were the reinstatement fees? I don't know if you heard me.
$45 a piece.
Okay. And I have until the 26th to do those as well.
That's gonna be on you. That's I'm only putting the date on the 12 hours of community service.
And you said I had 5 offenses?
The reinstatement fees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes.
And there's nothing I can do about those?
No.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, ma'am, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. Happy holidays, Judge.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Lawrence Albert Lyles, case number SP10127731, SP10155536, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP10229361, SP103364, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP10336521, SP10537251, SP110621, counts 1 and counts 2. SP14011709, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP16825261, SP17242221, counts 1 and counts 2. SP17291111, SP 177-69221, SP 177-69831, SP 991616 counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 99187131, U52966219, U30300616, 1946444931. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lyles.
Lawrence Elbert Lyles.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lyles, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room, please. We'll pass the matter. Ms. Bumpus, did she get a date, a time that she can do it?
Yes, Judge, she can do it today at 1:30. She's going to contact the provider.
All right, she can come back tomorrow then.
Okay.
You can let her know that. Thank you, Ms. Bumpus.
Thank you, Judge.
Join the room, let her know that. We'll schedule her for tomorrow.
Okay, she's still in the room, Your Honor?
Breakout room, yeah, in the room 5.
Okay, could you put me back in then?
Yeah. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. William Lanier. Mr. Lanier, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that against my advisement, my client is entering a plea to open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger and 1 count unregistered vehicle, with the remaining matters dismissed.
Jamar Anderson.
Do you want to take the deal, Mr. Lanier?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not? Did Ms. Harris go over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention all the way back to July the 6th, 2022, at around 4:25 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Marcellus and Sheldon. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
All right, did you have, were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Do you remember what kind of alcohol it was?
I believe it was a tequila.
That's what it says here. And was that alcohol open?
Yes.
Was there any alcohol in the container?
That's the bottle, right? Yes. Yes.
All right. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. That's going to be a $240 fine. What was the other infraction that he was pleading to? Unregistered, untitled?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a civil infraction. That's not a civil infraction. You know that, right?
I do, Your Honor.
And so I'll amend it to improper plate. Was this your 2018 Chevrolet you were in at that time, sir?
It actually was my girlfriend.
Okay, so I can't amend that because they shouldn't have written you. It was in your girlfriend's name or your name?
In her name.
Okay, very well. All right,
SP 1755.
what about this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica? Was that in your name?
No.
That was back in 2019. White Chrysler Pacifica?
No, that was my mother's name, that vehicle.
Okay.
I can hear them on an unregistered untitled. Let me carry your attention back to February 1st, 2019, at around 5:33 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of St. Paul and Helen. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in that 2018 Chrysler Pacifica?
Yes.
Was did the officer ask you to produce valid registration for that vehicle?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have it.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. With stipulation of probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
Well stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm not gonna fine you for the improper plate, sir. I'll fine you $240 for the open alcohol in the motor vehicle. When can you pay it? $240?
Monday. After this holiday weekend.
Okay, let's say you said Monday. Let's say pay it by Monday, December the 1st, 2025. You pay it at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone. I'm waiving the warrant fees. You also have some reinstatement fees to pay, and you also owe some old civil infractions as well. I'm just concerned about the $240 though. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lanier, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too, Joe.
All right, City of Detroit versus Faith Lagan, case number SP 178-28891. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Would you, ma'am, give the court your full name, please?
That's Faith Lagan.
Can you activate your camera?
All right, good morning, Ms. Lagan. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, what does Ms. Lagan want to do?
Judge, we're asking for a bench trial by way of Zoom, please. She's advised of her rights.
Trial date is December 18th, 2025, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lagan, you have a safe, happy holiday season, and we'll see you back on December the 18th at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
You too.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Mr. Lorraine.
Judge, whenever the court is ready, we're ready on Gunnick with Counselor Taylor.
Mr. Lorraine, good morning to you. Mr. Lorraine, what brings you here? I think I have a trial today. I don't see that. Give me your first name, please. You have to say it again. You're breaking up. Christopher. Christopher. Pre-trial was yesterday. This is the city of Detroit versus Christopher LeRae, case number SP 1790037, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Christopher Larray.
All right, well, yesterday, you missed the bus. Yesterday was the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Harris is an open alcohol and motor vehicle driver in the park after dark. Mr. Larray, Ms. Harris is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in the breakout room with her. Let us know what you wanna do when you come out, please.
Thank you.
Let's pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Justin Gunnick, case number SP 177-36181. Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. And for the record, Your Honor, we do have Officer D'Angelo here as well for trial.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandria Taylor on behalf of the defendant, Justin Gunnick, P75271.
All right, Mr. Officer D'Angelo, good morning to you. He's gone?
He may have left, Your Honor. This is a dismissal. Yeah, he was in the room about 5 minutes ago.
All right, well, dismiss, does it say per city attorney or what do you?
It will be per city attorney. It's my understanding from Officer D'Angelo that he was not an eyewitness to the incident, and we're also considering Mr. Gunnick's current situation per his attorney.
All right. I know there's no objection. Case dismissed. Best of luck to you, Attorney Taylor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lyles. Mr. Lyles, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel.
All right. I'm going to set a pre-trial for you, Mr. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lyles? Mute yourself, please. Mr. Lyles, is that what you want to do? Yep, unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, is this 586-9915 number the best number to reach you?
Yes.
All right, answer the call if you don't recognize. One of the calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date of December the 12th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m., then we'll get an attorney appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
You too, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry, this is an off-docket matter. This is the one that has warrants. She's walked in. City of Detroit versus Diamond Odell Kirkland, case number SB 11672-301, SB 1683629, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1698593, SB 1707491, SB 1717474, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 172433332, SB 1752823, counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan versus Diamond Odell Kirkland, case number SX 3875771, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1550761. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Kirkland.
It's Miss Diamond Odell Kirkland.
All right. We'll call it date time set for a ringing on the warrants. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Odell Kirkland. She does have a, I won't go through all of them, Mr. Berry, because we'll just get it, but she does have a leaving the scene of the property damage accident. You can talk to her and ask her whether she wants to have an attorney appointed to her. We'll set a pretrial date if so. Ms. Odell Kirkland, speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. He's gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to join the room. Let us when you come out, please.
Your Honor, did she miss her court date?
I don't think she ever.
I got my court date mixed up. I guess it was for next month.
Yeah, she was supposed to be December 15th. All right. All right, Mr. Berry, just talk to her. I think we'll just appoint her an attorney and get her a pretrial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. You ready, Counselor?
Yes, Judge.
Did your client already, what's gonna happen?
We're getting a dismissal.
All right.
Is it
What's
okay
your client's name?
Richard Jamie Galvin. Is it okay if his mom steps up with him as well?
Why does he need his mom?
He's deemed incompetent, Judge. He's a little more calm when his mom's around.
Okay, very well. All right. Let me ask you this, has he signed an advice of rights form?
I don't think he has.
Is that in Spanish as well?
Yes, he has the one in Spanish. They keep that.
Do they?
Okay, sorry, it's not.
Okay, very
And
well.
this is his card.
Very well, I see his insurance.
That's his bag.
Is it Richard Galvin? Is it missing the D on this or what?
I believe the discovery had a D on it, and then the appointment sheet didn't. So honestly,
Step up. Step. Good morning.
Step right here, sir.
Your Honor, this is the interpreter case, correct?
Yes, it is. This is the city of Detroit versus Richard Galvin, case number SP 179-06641. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso del Ministerio Público versus Richard Galván, número de caso SP 1790-6641. Digan sus nombres para que conste en el acta, empezando con el licenciado.
Frank Miseria, P 87848 on behalf of Mr. Jamie Galvin.
Este licenciado Frank Miserio, cédula profesional P 87084, en representación del señor Galván.
All right, today is the date and time. Good morning to you. And ma'am, what's your name for the record, please?
Esta es la mañana y la fecha, la hora para la audiencia. Señora, ¿cuál es su nombre?
Olga Lidia Galván Guillén.
Olga Lidia Galván Guillén.
Let the record reflect, Ms. Guillen is here on support of her son.
Que se refleja en actas, la señora Galván Guillén está aquí también.
Purposes of today's hearing of the record, you indicated that there was supposed to be a dismissal, that the city agreed to a dismissal in the matter. Is that correct, Counsel?
That is correct, Judge. Due to the defendant.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, the interpreter couldn't hear. There was so much noise in the background. The interpreter heard dismissal.
I let the record, off the record, it was indicated to the court that the city was willing to dismiss the case. Is that correct, Counselor?
Que conste en actas que el Ministerio Público está dispuesto a desestimar el caso en una conversación fuera de las actas. ¿Es correcto, licenciado?
That is correct, Judge. The defendant was deemed incompetent and the city is dismissing the charge without prejudice with the stipulation of probable cause.
Es correcto, su señoría. Determinaron que él no es competente. Van a desestimar el caso con causa probable.
And your appearance, Counselor?
Oh, Reed Carpenter. I am.
Señor, ¿quién es usted? Reed Carpenter.
And Judge, this is our recently hired attorney. He just passed the bar and just got sworn. He's waiting for a key.
Esto es el abogado que acaba de pasar el examen para abogados.
All right, the appearance for the record, please.
Oh, Reese Carpenter.
Su nombre para que conste en actas, por favor, licenciado Reed Carpenter.
What's the first name of the gentleman, Judge? I apologize.
Reese Carpenter. Spelled for the board. REESCARPENTER.
Thank you.
Es Reese Carpenter. REESECARPENTER. Gracias.
Okay. Case dismissed with that stipulation. If there's something further, everybody have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you all.
Caso desestimado con esa estipulación. Felices fiestas. Buena suerte a todos.
Yes. Thank you, Judge.
Anything else for the interpreter, Your Honor?
No, Madam Interpreter, if there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season. If I don't see you before tomorrow, okay?
Thank you. Likewise, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Gwen. All right. Good morning.
Your Honor, I have a question concerning, remember the gentleman that came into your court? May I approach you, Your Honor?
What is?
It's pertaining to Kevin Lamont O'Neill. He's under your jurisdiction. He's in street court, not an attorney. I'm his advocate in our program.
I know.
The situation, Missouri is trying to extradite him. I'm not asking legal advice, just a solution that we can keep him here. He has a fine.
He's gonna have to get an attorney.
Okay.
He's gonna have to get an attorney. If Missouri is trying to extradite him, in my experience, there's just no stopping that train.
Well, the PO there, I spoke with, wants to push it back. He has a fine. So I'm looking to see if probation here, he's under 2 probations, show that he's under your jurisdiction, he's doing what he's supposed to, he's following, being compliant. Can that, and also give a payment to the fine there?
Well, you mean, he really is gonna take probably an attorney to accomplish that. I don't know what Missouri has said to you and how much they've talked to you about it, but it's nothing that this court can really do. It's nothing that this court, he doesn't have anything, other than the cases that he has. I don't think there are any in warrant status, and he's not on probation in this court, I don't believe either.
No, he's in probation for something else here though.
Yeah.
Michigan.
He would have to get probably an attorney to help him facilitate that.
Okay.
And without you being an attorney, they're probably only give you limited information, and you would have to get an attorney probably to facilitate that, unless you knew how to go about doing it. So.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome.
Have a good holiday.
Have a safe, happy holiday season.
Thank you, sir.
All right. You might want to go get a bar license. Go get your bar license. And
actually, to be honest with you, Your Honor, the program is assist-man. However, the company that I represent, I don't think I need a license, Your Honor. It's a little bit more extensive. We help men actually who did.
No, what I'm saying is, you don't think you need a license, but at this for this stage of the game, you would. And you're an advocate. You know what I mean? That's what we do. Good morning to you, ma'am.
I'll work on that, Your Honor. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
How you doing?
All right, I'm waiting on an attorney. Let's go back on the record with this Odell Kirkland. Miss Odell Kirkland, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would ask for the appointment of counsel. Her number is in the chat.
Is that what you want to do? Ms. Kirkland?
Oh, boy.
Kirkland, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right.
I'm sorry. Is my number in the chat for everyone to see, or like? And it's Kirkland. It's KIRKLIN.
Okay, all right. And that's the correct number, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, all right, I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, your next court date is gonna be December the 12th, 2025 at 8:30. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, I'm trying to leave.
All right, City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus DeAndre's Doc Gamble Jr., case number SP 145766471, SP 1746398, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1676399, and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gamble.
DeAndre Gamble Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Gamble an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gamble, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Pass the matter. Join the room, please. Take your hat. Is that a hat on, Mr. Oliver? Take your hat off, please. Good morning to you. Find a lawyer for him. Which lawyer is from?
It's Cherokee.
Oh, very well. This is why she started talking. On the iPhone, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
My name Tawan Oliver.
No, not you, Mr. Oliver. Young lady on the iPhone.
Veronica Lewis.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Lewis.
Good morning.
I think you were not on time the last time, were you, Ms. Lewis?
No, I was on time.
Last time you were?
Yes, I was on time. I actually had to wait like maybe an hour.
What's your ticket number?
What's your last name, sir? What's your first name? What's your birthday? What is your birthday? Got one up here, it's Judge Brian. Judge Brian. You said 9/24. Let me give you this number. Here you go, 313. I'm just telling you, but I'm just telling you it's a caution. Yes. Well, you have a warrant with Judge Bryant. You have other tickets with Judge Perkins. Those are traffic matters. You have a case. You started in 2018. Controlled substance of marijuana. Yeah, 2018. You know what? Hold on, Johnson. Hold on. Okay, well, I just wanted, that's up to you. I was just telling you. Let me give you the number. Excuse me. Let me give you the number that is 313. Yes. 313 967 3414. That's for Miss Chelsea. Bye-bye. Today is Tuesday.
Ready on Bramble?
Ready, Your Honor.
Go back on the record with Mr. Bramble. Mr. Bramble, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea as charged to improper plates and the remaining matters to be dismissed. If the plea is successful, Your Honor, my client would seek community service.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Bramble?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights to break off, did he not?
Yes.
Understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to just June the 20th, 2025, around 8:36 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Conant and Davison. Where did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes.
Or you operated a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was that your motor vehicle? Was 2010 Chevrolet?
Yes.
And what was wrong with the plates on that vehicle?
I usually buy and resell cars, and I had two different plates inside the car. One was the paper tag from the dealer for that car, and one was from another car I had just sold. And he went on and grabbed the other one, and I told him the one for that car was in my in the back of the seat pocket. Both of them was in the back of the seat pocket, and he just went to grab the first one he seen. So I did have that sticker, and I have a picture of it that was in the car too.
All right, let me ask you this. Did you have insurance on that vehicle at that time?
No.
All right, I can find him guilty as to the amended count of improper plate for not having the valid insurance. If he indicates to the court that there was a mix-up with an officer, he took the wrong plate, that the plate did have the correct plate, but it's the same difference, improper plate for the no insurance. You know you have to have insurance on the vehicle while it's on the road, right?
Yeah.
And you want to do community service, stipulate the proper cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
You want to do community service to clear everything up down here, sir?
Yes.
For 12 hours of community service for that, I'll dismiss it upon completion. And then for the other stuff that you owe the court, in lieu of fines and costs, I will allow you to do an additional 12 hours of community service. 24 hours of community service will clear everything.
Is that including the $288 for the no insurance to get my license back?
Yes.
Okay.
Come back on the first 6 hours and I'll apply that to the license, all right?
Okay.
Or I'll let you pay $45 reinstatement fee up front so you can get your license.
And the 45, if I do the $45 reinstatement fee, you said when I can do that?
You're still gonna have to do the community service hours for it, but you pay the $45 reinstatement fee. And that will get you a clearance here.
Okay, and that's before the or after the community
You do that today. You do that today. If you have $45, bring it down today. I'm marking the file, pay the reinstatement fee up front. And then 24 hours of community service will clear everything. So you just put that 45 down. You got, there's no better way I can allow you to do it. But to come down to the courthouse and pay it. There's no way I can let you pay that on the did that kiosk. Or else I would. You have to come down, bring $45 down toward that no insurance proof. They already know what you're bringing it down for. And then that will get you clearances here. I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but that will get you clearances here.
Okay, and last question. I'm in Toledo, Ohio visiting my kids. So can it be in the morning I could bring it?
It could be whenever you bring it.
Okay.
As soon as you get your license. I need a good phone number from you though.
Area code 567 298 2797.
All right, I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. 2797, right? 567. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that community service coordinator, Ms. Shelton. If you don't hear from that community service coordinator in about a week or so, get back in touch with them. We'll get you in touch with them. Excuse me, you come pay that $45, and you can potentially set yourself up to get a license. If it's nothing further, I'm gonna have you back in 1 month. I'm gonna give you a month to complete this. Come back on December well, it's January the 6th. So you have more than a month. January the 6th, 2026 at 8:25. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gamble, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. Happy holidays to you.
You as well, thank you. City of Detroit versus Taiwan. Oliver, case number SP 11258081. SP 978047, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1288451, SP 165-15491, SP 1730972, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1747698, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 175-24421, SP 1780903, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1780931, and SP 1780932, SP 1804006, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1804265, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1815912, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1815916, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1819139, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1819141, SP 1827400, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182744541. 19386591. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Oliver.
Juan Oliver Jr.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Obviously, it counted much more than what's on the docket. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. "37 cases into the record, and only about 11 of them or so on the docket. You're gonna force my hand, Mr. Oliver, if you continue to get these tickets. I think I see you in the driver's seat of a vehicle right now.
I ain't driving though. I had to come outside.
Listen, Don, I didn't ask you to talk. I said, I think I see you in the driver's seat of a vehicle right now. I don't know if you have a valid driver's license, but I could probably guess that. If you continue to get tickets, sir, you're gonna go to jail, okay? Is that understood?
Yes.
Mr. Berry, give Mr. Oliver an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Oliver, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Your Honor, will I be able to get the other cases or what?
And this is probably one where he probably needs an appointed attorney anyway. He's got a false ID on one of these cases at least. You want them all? I'll give them to you all. All right. All right, you ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Insufficient lights. Expired plate. Expired plate. No insurance proof. No valid registration. Improper plate. Improper equipment. Unsafe manner. Defective lights. Seatbelt. No insurance proof. No valid registration. Something about failure of proof of sale or something. It's a civil infraction. FLPROF, sale. Expired plate. No valid registration. No insurance proof. Driving while license suspended. Unregistered, untitled. Improper plate. Driving while license suspended. No locks. Unregistered, untitled. No insurance misdemeanor. Driving while license suspended. Improper plate. I counted 37. I will allow Mr. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you working, Mr. Oliver?
Yes.
Oliver owes no insurance proof, 336. No insurance proof, 336. No insurance civil, 258. No insurance proof, 288. No insurance proof, 288. What I will allow him to do is I will allow him to pay the reinstatement fees on those. $45 a piece. You have to bring the $45 down to the city, down to the cashier downstairs. There's no other way that I can allow you to do that. Except you bring it down to the cashier with the understanding that for all but one of them, you're gonna eventually pay the whole amount off. We'll put one of them on the docket. That's the most recent one. But all the other ones are in default status, and they've been so for a long time. But what that'll do is that should get you clearances here. You might need to pay the reinstatement fee on this failure, on this false ID case as well.
So
That'd be
what?
6. That'll be 6. You pay those reinstatement fees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You bring them down to the 36 district court window, 45 times 6, and you could potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license. All right?
Okay.
All right. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to explain things to you. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Make sure you get an understanding before you leave here. We already got the one understanding, right, Mr. Oliver?
Yes.
All right. Join the breakout room. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. Where is Harris? Driver's license. It's pages long. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, I'll give you a trial date, Mr. Oliver, for December the 18th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay.
You might not want to drive or at least zoom in next time from the driver's seat of a motor vehicle.
Okay.
All right, have a good holiday season, sir. Be safe.
You too.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Veronica Renee Lewis. Case number SP 9373351. SP and count 217318557, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Lewis.
Veronica Lewis.
Morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I did have Sergeant Willie Robinson check in on his 2 matters dating back to 2018. I have not seen the other officer, Mr. Berry. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Lewis. You can attempt to get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Lewis, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Hello. Fine. Close the door out of the back. Huh?
I said, then we'll be off.
I was gonna say, you're gonna be off.
You not gonna be out there?
I don't have any more. I got one.
You won't have to come to work?
Well,
I'll be here.
Just one.
I court, but I'll be
Because you still have to, because it's injuries and work stuff.
here. Just like, should get some of the stuff out of here, take it to the chambers.
We're leaving.
January, right? Yeah, probably just take my, I don't have a lot of stuff down here.
That's right around the corner.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Sure she did. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. LeRae. Mr. LeRae, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting that the matter be set for a trial date.
All right, trial date is going to be December 18, 2025 at 9 a.m., Mr. LeRae. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
All right, December 18th at 9 a.m.
Yeah, have a safe and happy holiday season. Don't miss it.
All righty, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Veronica Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Per the prosecutor, Your Honor, these matters are to be dismissed.
All right, Ms. Lewis, I'm going to dismiss the cases per city attorney. I wish I waived the warrant fee. You'll owe the reinstatement fee. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season. And you still owe 2 other older civil infractions as well. Have a very good day and best of luck to you. Okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you. You're welcome.